Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to measure distance on Google Map. So guys, at first go to your Google Map and now select the place where you want to measure distance. So I am selecting this place, and guys, you can see a red dropped pin is created here. So tap on it. Now tap on measure distance. And guys, you can see that it starts showing the distance value. Now you can scroll your map to the position where you want to see the measured distance. And guys, you can also add your points here. So if you want to add, then just tap on the add. That's how you can add your points. And guys, you can also see the distance is shown in miles. So guys, that's how you can measure distance on Google Maps very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.